Good morning everyone. Today is day 31. I slept pretty well except for the coyotes. They were making all kind of noise near the jeep. It was a full moon, so I guess they were pretty active. So today I am going to do section 7 and that's going to take me to Big Water, Utah. And this is where I'm going to end the Trans-America Trail, because last year I started the Trans-America Trail in Big Water going east. So this is my last section for this trip. So I'm going to start it pretty soon. I'm going to town now, have breakfast, and then I'll be on my way to the trail. So I'll talk to you later.
Your world is so different from my own. me's arms. And I'll soothe you. Yeah, in me's arms. Yeah, in me's arms.
So close to the end of section 7, and then there is that. Yeah, it's a big drop off, so backtrack again. I think I found a way to go back on the trail without backtracking, but I want to check and make sure that after I make it through I can still go, so I'm gonna walk a little bit following the trail, see if it's gonna be okay after that. Well, according to my GPS, the trail must go here. Yeah, that's like almost my height. It's almost like 5 feet tall. I think I'm getting smarter, and I didn't go before checking, so I'm gonna go back to the car and spend the night here. It's a really nice spot anyway, and tomorrow morning I'll just walk around in the riverbed and see if I can make it until the end of the section. I mean, it's really like a mile away, so that's it, going back to the Jeep.